Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the comparative relative strength indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to our chart. Okay, so here we go. All right, now as you can see, this indicator oscillates in a separate indicator window. Okay, is a very easy indicator to understand. You have to just pay attention to the crossover signals and the slope. Okay, you pay attention to the crossover signals and pay attention to the direction and slope. So when you notice the gray line cross above the blue line, it's a buy signal, right? As you can see what happened here, you can see what happened here. You can see what happened here again, right? So that is one. And then I said the slope. Okay, so now the lines are sloping upwards, showing that the trend is bullish, right? So you can see when the lines are sloping upwards, you should only take buy trades, buy signals. Okay, but if you notice that the lines have started sloping downwards, if the gray line crosses below the blue line, it has become a sell signal. Okay, so in that case, you can exit your buy trade. It does not mean that you sell immediately, all right? Because I recommend selling in a bearish trend and buying in a bullish trend. So before you sell, you wait for the trend to turn to bearish. You can see in this case now, we had the line sloping upwards again, and the trend was still bullish. As you can see, that overall the trend was still bullish. So we are not interested in sell trades right now. We are here for another buy. As the gray line crossed above the blue, another time to buy. And then you can see the lines we are sloping upward, so we maintain our buy until this point. We can consider exiting our buy trade. Then when we have a change in trend, when the trend turns to bearish trend, that's when you now want to start looking out for sell opportunities. When the gray line crosses below the blue, you can consider selling. And yeah, but make sure that you always get confirmations. All right, get confirmations before you execute a trade, buy or sell. Okay, do not just jump into a trade without getting confirmations from candlesticks or maybe chart patterns or other indicators. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.